and butter?
Да, първо ще изядеш това и после ще сме на bread and butter.
I want bread and butter! No!
Do you know even what is this?
Yeah, it looks gross.
Kuba, please try it. Please. Just try it.
Which one's grosser?
Just try it, yeah?
Why do you have to put the pepper there? Would have eaten it.
Because the pepper itself brings the flavor too.
What's gross? Ew, it smells bad. I don't want it. I don't even know how to eat this.
Well, you need to go see what mommy did to your room and be grateful
Yeah, go
and
check.
thankful for all the work that she put in.
Yeah, I know, but how am I supposed to eat this? It looks so gross.
One of it is cabbage, the other thing is pepper.
No, it's scary.
Where's the deer?
No.
You can get it. Okay, you can get it for breakfast.